Yes, and this is where we call it a wrap. It's been awesome going on this journey with you, and I hope that you've been able to gather the skills needed to begin your graphic design journey. I've been on this journey for over 5 years, and I must tell you, it's very lucrative and as well very exciting when I've had the opportunity of working on projects, that have gone outside of where I am, and I've been able to work with a lot of very interesting people. And these are the kind of opportunities that having a skill like graphic design can do for you. So get serious with what you've learned. Don't just learn it once and think you've known it. Go over it over and over and over and over again. There's a quote that says that good artists copy, but the great artists steal. And what that means is that it doesn't necessarily mean that you take someone else's work and claim it is yours, but it means your ability to look at other people's work and pick out inspiration for that, for your own project. So still like an artist, that is what I will tell you in this concluding part of the video. Still like an artist, go online, pick the best designs you can find, break them down. What are the tools they use? What are the elements that is used in this design? What are the principles followed? Critique those designs, create your own versions of them. You can also reproduce those designs, pick up flyers everywhere you go and just redesign them till you become the best graphics designer the world has ever seen. Thank you so much and see you some other time. Bye.